Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to share your drive in Waze in 2026. If you want someone to know where you're going or follow your trip, here's how to share your drive. First, open the Waze app on your phone and enter your destination. Select the correct location, then tap Go to start navigation. Once the navigation begins, look for the route information or sharing option on the screen. Tap it, then select Share Drive. Waze will show you different ways to share your trip. Choose the app or contact you want to send to, such as Messenger, Messages, or other available sharing option. Your contact can then receive information about your destination and trip, depending on what Waze supports on your device and account. If you want to stop sharing your device, return to the navigation screen and use the available option to stop sharing. And that's how to share your drive in Waze. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.